Okay, this question is very common. How would you go with $10,000 now to invest? $10,000 to invest. I would buy Ethereum, and I'll do the same thing I'm doing now, honestly. Right? So we shared with the customers. Yeah, I would buy Ethereum. I'll join tokenmetrics.com. I would look at the code reviews we have coming out. I'd only look at projects with a score over 80% on the code review. And I would then place bets. I would make 20 bets, 20 investments, because I think that's a good enough amount to basically 10x the portfolio. So the goal would be to turn 10 grand to 100 grand, then turn 100 grand to a milli. So 2 10x's on your portfolio equals 100x. So I'll probably do $500, which is 5%, into those good projects with score with code review over 80% and with a low market cap. And that's what I would do, honestly. And I'll just keep on doing that. So that's because with that, the main thing you have to do with that size of your portfolio is 10x that portfolio. Because once you 10x that, then you can start doing the yield farming and start making passive money on the side. Because the fees for yield farming on Ethereum with 10 grand, I don't think it's worth it. I think you have to really probably get to like 50 grand or more, or maybe worst case, maybe 25 grand to be able to do yield farming and not kind of be concerned with the fees. But there are projects out there that are valuable. Like recently, we shared with our customers. Basically, our project for the week last week was, let me pull this up here, was Radical. So, but even them, so they had a token sale through Balancer, and the token sale was overhyped. Great project, good code review score, but looking at where they launched now, yeah, so it's basically at $14. I was trying to get in at about $4.30, but that's not happened. So I'm basically watching this project dips. I'm trying to catch a dip. I'm hoping this can come back to like $4, and then I'll get in, because that will give it a market cap of under 40 million. So in general, I like projects with a market cap under 30 million, maybe worst case like 40 million. But basically, I'm looking for 10x potential. So I want 10x potential in that investment. So I look at its current market cap and say, can this do a 10x from this level? So kind of like same thing I was doing with MR. I keep saying it wrong. But anyway, right? Market cap 22 million. Can it do a 10x? I think so, right? So basically, I'm looking for 10x potential in all my altcoin investments, and I'm looking for a code review score over 80%. That's how you kind of balance out the risk. Then I'm also looking for yield farming, but at that level, you can't really do yield farming. So I would just focus on doing a 10x on your portfolio, and then you can do yield farming. Maybe staking you can do, but it all depends on the fees. But yeah, that's basically what I would do to invest $10,000. In terms of what projects, that I would just use Token Metrics.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.